You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these name and more confusing names from science, biology, medical terms, so stay tuned to learn more. Cephalaspidomorphi, or it can also be pronounced as, just change the end of it, cephalaspidomorphi, cephalaspidomorphi, or cephalaspidomorphi. And now you know. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support and more videos for you to learn more. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.